a jaw-dropping 14 feet by 5 feet. That's how gigantic the world's largest puzzle is. And more than 30 people all around the world already had their fair share of fame and glory for completing this brain teaser. Among them is 29-year-old Jemberly Tan, who owns the Asian crown for being the first to complete the colossal puzzle on this side of the globe.
Naghahanap ako that time ng malaking puzzle. So, nakita ko yung 18,000 pieces, pinabili ko yung sa auntie ko. Nung dumating na yung puzzle dito sa Pilipinas, I've searched internet again. Doon ko nakita na mayroon palang 24,000 pieces. So, binenta ko yung 18,000 pieces. And in return, ito nga, binili ko.
It took her more than 200 hours of hard work to complete this colorful Royce McClure piece. And the challenge of completing it was her very inspiration.
Even once in my life, I want to do the largest puzzle na talagang ginawa ko siyang buong-buo. It came with 4 bags na 6,000 pieces each. Kapag hiniwalay kong gawin yun, di parang bumili lang ako ng 4 na boxes na puzzles, di ba? So, napag-isipan ko, haluin ko. I want to challenge myself kung talagang kaya ko siyang gawin. By far, this is the most special one. This has a lot of sentimental value to me. Because, makikita natin, ito yung pinaka-largest puzzle na available commercially. And talagang pinaghirapan ko yung pinagtiyagaan.
With more than 200 puzzles under her belt, this puzzle lover is now waiting for a larger puzzle to come out. Aside from jigsaw puzzles, she is also into other mind benders like Rubik's Cube and Sudokus. And if you want to see more of her works, you can visit www.jemberlytan.shutterfly.com, where she is also selling some of her collections, or you may reach her at 0917-796-1981.